Hello, my name is Kennedy Alexis Rodríguez Lule. I am a student in Technological of Uruapan. My career is administration. Okay, my topic in this project is different culture and it's a real problem. Okay, in part 1, the project is different culture. I had a 7 requests and answers. The person I choose the person is my sister. She moved to United States. Okay, number 1. Why did you Why did you decide to move to another country? Well, the first thing she told me was they offered her a job opportunity, and when she was 3 years old, they offer the United States offered her residency in the country. This very fantastic. Okay, number 2. How is education compared to Mexico? The education for me is very important, but she told me that education is sometimes very important to them, United States, and there are scholarships and programs to study regardless of the age of the people. The person's small, I don't know, 20 years, 30 years. The education is very important for them. In number 3, what are the customs of the country you moved to? She told me that she didn't think they had so many customs, but in reality they do. For example, Halloween in Mexico or in the United States, Halloween, Thanksgiving, St. Patrick's Day, among many more. It's surprising for me and for she. Number 4, how is the weather in that country? She told me that she lives in San Francisco, and in that place said can be very cold or very hot depending on the season of the year, of the month, of the day, but it is a very nice place. San Francisco is very beautiful. I like it, for me. Okay, number 5, how is the means of transportation in that country? In San Francisco, in United States, she told me that the means used transportation in San Francisco are the buses. It is a safe and fast transport. It's genial. It's surprising, no? In Mexico, the buses is slow, is terrible. Okay, the number 6. How is the gastronomy of that country compared to Mexico? The answer is surprising. She told me that the gastronomy is very ugly. She doesn't like it. She prefers Mexican food. Obviously, hamburgers, and pizza. I don't know. I don't like it. For me, I prefer Mexican food. The 7 questions is how do people behave in that country? She told me that people are nice but very serious. Very serious. You need to talk to them to start a good chat. I don't like it. So I don't like the people the San Francisco. I prefer people in Mexico. It's more social. Okay, in part 2 de this project, I had, the project 2, part 2, it's a real problem. In my case, I had 6 problems. For example, number 1, I had a broken the window. Number 2, broken this chair. Number 3, crooked neighborhood pole. Number 4, covered windows. And number 5, guitar with broken strings. Number 6, the road to my house is blocked by poles or bonds. Okay, the problems number 1, I had a broken the window. I think I consider hiring a glacier to change it and not had any accidents for me. And the problem number 2, broken this chair, is easily. I consider giving it away and buying a new one, so as not to hurt myself. And the problems number 3, crooked neighborhood pole. I consider I agree to call the electricity company to fix the the light pole. Okay, the problems number 4 is covered windows. I think the easiest thing is to take a broom and clean the covers. It's easily. Number 5, my guitar, the guitar with broken strings. I think I to consider the best thing is to go buy a new strings for my guitar. So that it sounds better, the sounds. Number 6, the road to my house is blocked by portals, bands. I consider, I believe that it is better to call 911, so that they solve the problems. To call 911 is the most solution for me in this case. I think those are the best solution for these problems, since they're not serious problems. It's easily the solve problems.